Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to format Google Docs. Let's begin by looking at the basic text styling options available. Google Docs offers many simple ways to make your documents look professional and easy to read. You can quickly change your text's font, size, and style using the toolbar at the top of your screen. For instance, choosing a clear font like Roboto or Open Sans at a size of 12 points generally improves readability. Experiment with bold or italics to highlight key information, ensuring your message stands out clearly to your audience. Next, let's explore paragraph settings and text alignment, which are vital for a well-structured document. You can easily adjust line spacing to 1.5 or double spacing for improved readability, especially in longer texts. Modifying paragraph spacing adds visual breaks, making your content easier to digest. Use the alignment tools to set your text to the left, center, right, or justify it for a more formal appearance. These adjustments truly refine your document's overall presentation. To present information in an easy-to-follow manner, effective lists are invaluable. Google Docs allows you to quickly create bulleted or numbered lists, perfect for outlining steps or key points. You can easily adjust the indentation of your lists to create sublevels, building a clear hierarchy within your content. For example, moving an item in by 1/2 inch helps differentiate it from a main point. This feature helps readers quickly grasp complex information at a glance. Finally, let's look at structuring your entire document for a professional finish. Headers and footers are excellent for adding consistent branding, titles, or page numbers across every page. Inserting page numbers is particularly useful for documents exceeding a few pages, aiding reader navigation. Employ page breaks to strategically separate content, ensuring new sections always start on a fresh page. These layout tools are essential for maintaining a polished, organized appearance, guiding your reader seamlessly through your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.